are going to have a holiday. We wanted to relax. We wanted to sleep, eat, and rest. Mom drives. She was excited and happy. We were tired but excited. We both enjoy our journey and excited to see our home. During our long journey, this is our first meal of the day. Finally, we arrive, home sweet home. This is what we saw, messy backyard. Our first day, we start cleaning. Look like a wood or a haunted house. Bushes everywhere and lots of thorns too. What a big cleaning day, said Mom. What a mess, said Dad. Cleaning day today, said Jenny. What a beautiful day, everyone laughed. Mom keeps the grass. She pushes the wheelbarrow. She cuts the grass too. Oh no, jackfruit! What a big jackfruit! It's look yummy and tasty. Smells good. Dad rakes. Mom and Dad help each other. Jenny cuts the grass too. Next day, we were busy. Dad painted the fence. Now the backyard and the front yard are all clean. Jenny helped to paint too. We were busy all day long. Everybody helped each other. We cleaned inside and outside the house. Hooray! It's finished! Home sweet home. We can sleep and relax now. Sleeping cat, it may be tired too. Family time. See children, everyone needs a house to live in, but a supportive family is what builds home. We may not have it all together, but together we have it all. Family. Thank you. Subscribe please.